Welcome back everybody to the daily show where we discuss and do technical analysis for big mega cap stocks. So show your support by hitting that thumbs up button and that is greatly appreciated. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and that means a lot to me. Now if you want to get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, my analysis in 3 days of live trading, definitely check out the Patreon and that link will be down below in the description. And now let's get right into it, guys. On Apple stock, it's up 0.35%. So Apple again holding 190, and you can see on my screen 190 low for the day, and it's holding above 190 and going all the way up to 193 almost. So next week and especially tomorrow, it's gonna be a slow day in the market. You wanna watch 190 as a support, and below that we could see a drop on Apple down to 186 to close this gap all the way down here. Now, as long as Apple can stay above 190, I said it before in my video, stay bullish, but that does not mean that you go and buy Apple right here and chase it at 190 plus. That is a double no here, guys. Now, Apple, yes, this thing can move higher from here, but look at the upside. What? $3-4, and you're going to actually jump right here on top just because it's going up $3? No, this is where we called it before. This is where you actually buy the dip, and if you actually caught this dip, you made a ton of money. We bought some shares and then some calls and everything paid, and now it's going straight up, and definitely this is not at a buy zone right now. So on Apple, the next target and the resistance will be right up here, 195.28, and the support 190, and then this gap down here, 186. So on this special day, Thanksgiving, I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you guys out there supporting my channel. Now, for Thanksgiving and Black Friday, I do have a sale going on right here on my Patreon, and that is if you join annually, you get 2 months free. Right now it's 35 bucks. If you join annually, you get 2 months free. That is 14 months. You're paying for only 12 months. And then in top of that, you also get another 10% off. Right here, you can see you can actually get another 10% off. So that is like 24 to 25 bucks, which is a bargain for what I do here in this channel. And especially you get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading, and any help you need, I'm always there for you guys. So go ahead and check it out, and if you're interested, definitely sign up for this annual membership. And once you sign up, just send me a message and you'll get all the access, especially the trades that I take, and whatever position that I take in this market, I do share that in real time. So that link will be down below in the description for Patreon. Thank you. On Tesla, it's down 2.90%, and Tesla, they had a bad news also. Again, Elon cutting down, slashing prices on Tesla vehicles, and now it's down because of that news. So I don't know how long he can survive doing that, just cutting prices on vehicles. But that was the catalyst for this drop, and we also have this unfinished business down here, 225.40, this gap down here. Now, this thing was clearly getting that breakout here day before on Tuesday, and because of that news, it's not playing out anymore. And now, if you want to look for support, it'll be down here, 228.54, and then 225.40, this gap down here. We also have support 221 right here, rising 20-day moving average right here, this white line to the upside. Now it needs to break 238, 241, and then you're going to see a move all the way up to 252. On Nvidia, stock is down 2.46%, and you can see how big of a drop that was on Nvidia, all the way down to 476. But again, trapping bears and buying the dip right here, getting slightly under 482, and this thing actually went right back up and ran all the way up to 492, 493, and then came down and again holding above 482 into closing. So right now, if you look at it, guys, range here on Nvidia stock, 500 to the upside and to the downside is 400. So this thing is trading inside this box, I would say right here, around 500 and 400. Anything in between, it's just trading in the middle. And right now, it looks like it's trading at that higher range right here, close to 500. So if this thing actually breaks below 482, that is when you're going to see more selling down to right here around 471 and then 460. As long as the stock can hold above 482, the next stop 495 and then possibly another fresh new all-time high, which I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow. On Netflix, it's up 0.64%, and just like I said before, almost hitting that target 485, going up to 480 to 70, and then we saw a bit of a pullback, and now it's trading at 478. So now on Netflix, we do have support right up here, 472, and only below that, watch out for it dump off all the way down to right here at around 454 and then 450. As long as this thing can maintain and hold right here above rising blue line 5-day moving average right here 472, the next stop 485 and then possibly even 500. But the RSI getting really overbought, almost near 80, so be careful chasing Netflix right here at this level. On Amazon stock, it's up 1.95%, and this one again getting that close over 146, and looks like we might be going back up to 150 plus on Amazon. Upper Bollinger Band expanded all the way up to 153. So as long as this thing can hold above 146, that is gonna be the next target, 150 to 153. Below 146, we gapped up on Wednesday, so watch out for this gap down here below 146, 144 right here. And if that gives up, we could be dropping down to right here 139.59 and then 138. We also have this gap down here 133.57. On Google stock, it's up 1%, and another crazy day here on Google, gapping up and going all the way up to 141 and now holding 140 as a support. So tomorrow, if there is a pullback, you want to watch just below 139 for this gap to get filled, and that could be a support to watch around 139, and below that we also have support down here 135 and then this gap 134.11. As long as Google can hold above 140, the next stop 142, and who knows, maybe going all the way up to 145 plus. On Microsoft, it's up 1.28%, and guess what, another fresh new all-time high on Microsoft, almost 380 guys, and now it's holding 375 as a support. Now, do you think this is actually a healthy market and this is actually a healthy move? I don't think so. Yes, they're doing buybacks on all these big names, and that is why you're seeing this big pop to the upside in a straight line, no pullback, nothing, gapping up and going straight up. So at some point they're going to stop buying, and guess what? There will be a time this thing will come down and you're going to see a significant pullback. What we saw here back in 2022, what was it? Almost 200, right? And now this thing almost going up 100%. That is crazy. And now again hitting, multiple times fresh new all-time highs, and it was actually not done. Hitting another new one on Wednesday, and who knows, we might be hitting another one tomorrow. So on Microsoft, you want to watch 375, and below that, watch out for this support down here, 368, and then 366, and below 366, you're going to see significant selling all the way down to this gap, 357.54. To the upside, as long as this thing can hold 375, the next stop, 390, and who knows, maybe even 400 here on the stock. On Meta, it's up 1.34%, and finally hitting the target right up here, 343. Almost there, 342.92, and now trading at 341.49, and another new 52-week high right here on Meta. So this is going to be a level to watch going into tomorrow. Right here, 337.53, and then 330 as a support on Meta on a pullback. But if this thing can actually clear 343, the next stop 345, and then 350 plus, and I said it before, even a fresh new all-time high we could see here on this one. And it's the same thing, they're doing buybacks, and that is why you're seeing this massive rally to the upside. On AMD, it's up 2.81%, and this was a fantastic trade we took on Tuesday because of earnings coming out from Nvda, and we actually got 125 calls at 118, and this one going all the way up to 124.76. The calls going up over 100% on Wednesday, and then I actually shorted right on top right here, close to the resistance right here, getting 125 puts, and this one coming down to 121 same day again on Wednesday, and got paid on those as well, and now holding some runners, and those are also green. So AMD now it's in this range right here. You want to watch 118 support, and to the upside, if this thing breaks above 125, you're going to see possibly 130 plus on AMD. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.